Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a limit on eTrade for losing stock. First thing I want you to do is just search up the ticker symbol. Let's say it's Tesla, right? You search up the symbol for Tesla or whatever stock it is. And then for action, what you do is you go ahead and select, let's say sell, and enter the quantity that you want to sell and choose the price type. It can be market, it can be limit, can do market and close. We'll do stop on quote, okay? Because we want to set a limit for the losing stock, right? And then you set your limit price, your stop price as well. Set it, choose your duration, by the way. If it's good for the day, good for 60 days, or good until date, you choose a specific date. And then once you're happy with it, you just go ahead and preview your order and make your order. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.